equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Maintaining your HP ProBook is crucial for its longevity and performance. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your device in top shape. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a microfiber cloth, and thermal paste if you plan to reapply it. These tools will help you perform a thorough maintenance check. Start by powering down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's important to ensure your device is completely off to avoid any electrical issues. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is crucial for safety. Now, let's focus on the exterior. Use the microfiber cloth to gently wipe down the screen and keyboard. This not only keeps your laptop looking good but also prevents dust and grime from entering the internal components. Once the exterior is clean, it's time to open up the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek help. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This is essential for preventing overheating. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid any moisture from escaping. If you notice significant dust buildup, you may want to consider a more thorough cleaning. Next, check the thermal paste on the CPU. If it appears dry or cracked, it's time to reapply. Carefully remove the old thermal paste with a lint-free cloth and apply a small amount of new thermal paste. This will help maintain optimal temperatures during operation. If you're unsure about this step, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. After cleaning and reapplying thermal paste, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or loose components. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your HP ProBook. Check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. By following these steps, you can ensure your HP ProBook remains in excellent condition, providing you with reliable performance for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.